Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Small Change with Shaye. First of all, let me start by saying thank you. Thank you to my family, my friends, my loved ones, my viewers, my subscribers, everyone that's making my channel possible right now. Thank you so very much to each and every one of you. Now, this week, I wanted to bring you something different. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I upload every Sunday, so you can hopefully sign in and see what new video that I have going on. So this week, I didn't want to do a room again, although I want to do a full Easter dining room, but that will be closer to Easter. What I wanted to do, it was bring you some DIY and upcycling things that I did. I actually had some products or some items that I was going to donate or give away. And I'm like, no, I'm all about saving money. Why would I want to do that? So I came up with some ideas of how I can upcycle and then do some basic DIY candle holders. So let's take a look and see what I did this week. Hopefully you get inspired to create, to decorate, to have fun doing it, and know that I have so much fun doing this, guy. I so love doing it and bring it to you. And hopefully somehow you get inspired. So let's take a look at what I did this week. guys, here it is, some basic creative things that I came up with. Hopefully you like it. Of course, this is the after of my videos, and this is the final look of everything. Totally love this lamp. Totally love how it came out, and I didn't think it would, because all the concrete that I used started stripping, but enough remained on, and I just spray painted it black, and I think it looks gorgeous. Now these candle holders, I mean, it came out pretty good for a last minute idea, because this was all last minute coming to me of how I can make some candle holders and not spend money or not do anything that would, and still have it look good. So this was the final outcome of my candle holders. Tell me what you think, everyone. And this vase, of course, I was going to donate this, guys. And you see how the white gray is showing in between? I love that. That's the look I was trying to get. So the concrete, if you have extra concrete, I've had mine for 2 years, the powdered concrete, and I just mixed it and I added to both these vases. And these are just two things that I put together. I purchased from, one is a cover, a candle holder cover, and the other one, this piece, I got from my Goodwill. And this is another lamp that I upcycled. Now these lamps, as you remember, I showed you I paid $2.99 each at my Salvation Army. So I wanted to do something. I wanted to get creative with lamps. And this is my first kind of upcycling big projects that I wasn't sure how it would look, but I think it turned out very well. So guys, tell me what you think. I hope you like what I brought to you this week. Simple, easy weekend DIY, things that you can do in your own spare time. And of course, you can use your own products. You don't have to use what I use. You don't have to use concrete. A lot of people use spackling, or yes, spackling, and you can feel free to use that, or caulk or whatever that will dry and be able to sustain, the texture that you're looking for. And this is the texture that I was looking for. All right, everyone, thank you so very much. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Please do not forget to like, to share, to subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you for all your feedback. Thank you for all your inspiring words and encouragement, guys. Please continue to share. Please continue to subscribe. I need my subscribers to build up, so I hope you will do that and encourage family and friends to do so also. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you so very much. You have no idea. Stay safe, and remember, you are loved by the one that matters most. God bless you all.